Group, growing through cooperation. The most frequent maintenance operations are replacement of pressure chamber washer, replacement of locking washer and lubrication of the pressure chamber, replacement of the handle filter Viton seals and lubrication, replacement of new screw-in cylinder, remember that all spare parts are available through Goisper's extensive network of distributors. Osatu, your partner for accurate spraying. Goisper Group, growing through cooperation.